Hey everybody, happy Hey everybody, happy 4th of July. We're out on my lanai and we're grilling some burgers. So here we go. Let's get right to it. Okay, so I'm making the buns from scratch. I'm going to put a video link in the description box below because this is not my recipe. Shout out to Titli Nahan for this great bread recipe. I've made it many times over the past few years and it has never failed me. By the way, Titli, if you're watching this, come back, we miss you. Now this recipe makes 8 average-sized burger buns, but I only need 1, so I'm turning the rest of the dough into 14 dinner rolls and freezing the rest of them. These rolls have quite a bit of sugar, so they are a little sweet. Having said that, they're soft, delicious, and super easy to make. I highly recommend doing this. Instead of buying buns from the store, they don't have the same taste and texture as these. After oiling my bowl, I'm going to do what I did last time and put the dough in a draft-free oven that's off, and leave it in there for 20 minutes. When you take it out, the dough will have risen just a little. You don't want this doubling in size, not yet. Then I'm going to cut them up and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment. When you shape them, make sure they're smooth on top and sealed on the bottom. Then I'm going to cover them with a damp cloth and let them rise until they have doubled in size. Then I'm going to brush them with an egg white that's been mixed with a little water. If one is noticeably bigger than the other ones, that is my burger bun. I'm placing them in a 375-degree oven for 15 minutes, or until golden brown, and once they've cooled, we now have a burger bun ready to go. Awesome. Next is our sauce. I'm only making a little because I'm not feeding that many people. So I took some mayonnaise and added some tomato sauce. I'm using no salt added because I like to be in control of how much salt goes into this. Also adding black pepper, a bit of garlic powder, some dried oregano, some onion powder, and whisking that up. At the last minute I decided to add some tomato paste, and that was a great addition. Also made it a nice salmon color. Make sure you taste as you go so that it's to your liking. For the meat, you're going to want to use ground chuck. That's 80% lean and 20% fat. Makes a juicier and more tender burger. I'm seasoning before the grill, just salt and pepper. And remember when I said that I put rosemary in everything? Yeah, I wasn't kidding. So we're going to mix that up and we're going to shape our patty. And now we're ready for the grill. Now, as I put my burger patty, a sliced onion, and buttered buns on the grill, my camera decided to crap out on me, so there's quite a bit of footage I didn't get. Like when I seasoned my onion with some salt and pepper, toasted my buns for about 2 minutes, and grilled my burger for about 3 minutes on each side on medium-high heat before adding a slice of Munster cheese, which is amazing by the way, and letting it melt with a lid down for about a minute. I didn't even get to show you how I put the burger together. I spread the sauce on both buns, added some iceberg lettuce, my onion, burger patty, and top bun. I also almost burnt off my eyebrows, but not capturing that on film is fine by me. So there's our burger. Let's eat. Okay, here we go, and I got my mom with me to try out the burger. And everybody say hi.
Hi, everybody.
Hi. Okay, so we're going to try out this burger. I'm going to let you have the first bite. Tell me what you think. Give me your honest opinion.
Okay. Well, it looks good and it smells good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I forgot to get napkins. I'm sorry.
That's all right.
So if it's messy, it's going to be caught on camera.
Uh-huh. I apologize.
You didn't get it.
I'm squeaking out there.
You just got the burger. Okay, that's my own fault because it's the way I structured the burger. Don't structure it like I did. Use the same ingredients, but put one ingredient on top of the other differently than I did. So.
It is very good though.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. It really is very good. Can I have a second bite?
Yeah, go for it.
Try it in this direction. It's really very good.
Thank you.
Really good. Got really good flavor.
Good. Glad you like it. I'm gonna go for a bite.
Try that.
Yeah.
Too messy for you.
So, thank you. I didn't get everything. Oh well. Alright, I got food on my face.
It's worth it.
You don't because you're made of Teflon.
This is true.
And I hope everybody has a fun, safe 4th of July. Remember to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Happy 4th of July. Bye. More food.
I should have made fries.
Huh.